Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
A lot of our savings.
And 5 right there. At least it's nothing like that.
What the f, girl? Yeah.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
What the f? That was dirty. Holy shit, almost hit you.
T'es un est. T'es un crétin. Ah, ça, je l'enregistre. Ils disent ça.
I swear that is the word I have heard the most. I have the right of way! I have the right of way, you stupid teenage brat!
Question, man. You guys have been sending incredible questions.
At the light, turn right onto Moore Park Street.
Send to me. If you want to record a voice memo and send an MP3, do that. Record a voice memo and send an MP3, do that. We would love that. Or if you just want to type it out, that's fantastic too, man.
Continue on Moore Park Street for 1 mile.
Jesus Christ! Get over!
Ah, you got caught with the DPS!
killed a lot of people, as only demons with that quick of a reaction time would be able to even dodge a blow like that. So, in an amazing sequence by UFO Table, and this is really where all of the amazing sequences in this are, you gotta give a lot of props.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.